What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. I just thought I'd give you guys a little quick update video while I'm out and about. So I'm on holiday and just kind of walking about pre-market. So don't know where I'm going to use this video or when I'm going to use this video, but basically just wanted to say in advance, because you know Christmas is coming up, got a few days now. Pretty much I wanted to say enjoy it, make the most of it, have fun, spend time with your loved ones, your family, you know, everybody that you got out there, whoever you're with, you know, if you're just with friends or with your family or your own you know, children and stuff, whatever it is, have fun, enjoy it. It's only once a year and it's time to be festive, time to be happy, enjoy, but of course a time to be grateful as well. Remember, a lot of people didn't make it here. A lot of people wish they were celebrating with family and friends and all that. A lot of people wish they could have at least, you know, found the right people to hang with or whatever, and they've got nobody. There's a lot of people out there who don't have food, drink, any of the things that we have. So let's be grateful, let's be happy as well, and kind of enjoy it. What's all this? So yeah, that's what I really wanted to say. And lastly, I just wanted to add, you know, if you're trading the stock market, don't forget it's not all about stocks, you know. Sometimes we can just sit back and relax and take our time to have some peace to ourselves, have some peace of mind, just kick back and relax and, you know, forget all about chasing the money in the market or even any kind of money. If you're a business owner and you're doing business and all that kind of stuff, then, you know, just take a step back and just relax a little bit this week. I believe Friday there's no trading, so that's at least one day you're forced to go do something else. The weekend, of course, is Christmas, Boxing Day, so make sure during that time you don't, you know, put too much effort and time into the market, because that's Christmas Day and Boxing Day. That's the time to really sit back and relax and kick back. So yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to say.
Of course, though, while I've been getting out and about, I've still been managing to make some trades. As you guys know, we never stay away from the market. So we did a couple of different trades this week. The first one being an Oracle put, which we swung from Monday into Tuesday. It was a $92 put, and Oracle dropped off very well, which meant our puts were up almost, I think, 100%. And by middle of market trading hours Tuesday, it was up over 100%. So that was great to see. And we managed to take profits on that before Biden started to speak. The other trade we did was an AMD call, which didn't actually pay off, unfortunately. You could have got out today, Wednesday, at break even, in fact slightly up, but like I said, it was just a bit of an unfortunate play, and I was out most of the day, so wasn't able to manage that trade properly.
And as I get out and about, I thought I'd, you know, just show the YouTube community a bit what's going on, and you guys can have a look yourselves. The economy is flowing, money is being made. Of course, you guys know the money doesn't stop. But yeah, you know, if you're another thing I want to say, if you're not working on Christmas, be grateful. I know a few people that are working on Christmas because they have to, not because they want to, they have to. So they get a few hours with their family and then it's back to work. It's like, that's not the life for me, but I understand if they have to do that, that's what they got to do, get their money to pay their bills and all that. So be grateful if you don't have to do that, if you don't have to work this Saturday. It's a Saturday and it's Christmas Day. That's a double whammy. And some people I know are even working from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Like, that's your whole Christmas evening. Like, you're supposed to have Christmas dinner and that. Do you know what I mean? So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I might show you guys a few clips of the landscape and all that kind of stuff. But just wanted to give you guys a nice reminder ahead of this Christmas weekend, and make sure you guys remember what's important. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. Comment, let me know your thoughts on the video, let me know how you guys are doing, let me know what you'd like to see on this channel. 2022 is coming up as well soon, but we can discuss that in another video. But yeah, that's it for now, that's it from me. I got into making, you got into making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.